everybody, I'm Yas.
And I'm Yel.
And welcome back to our video. So today we're going to be doing something, I had a little bit of a different idea.
Okay.
How about today we strip our clothes?
What? She told me it was a surprise video, but I didn't sign up for this. Just kidding.
Just kidding.
I know exactly what she's talking about. We are going to be stripping our clothes, but it's not the stripping you're thinking about, but it is stripping our clothes because what we're going to be doing is getting all of our clothes, like things that you think are very like soiled, you can say, or dirty, or like, you know, after washing them and drying them, it's like really just not feeling as clean anymore. Maybe your towels or things of that sort.
Like gym clothes, things of that nature.
Exactly, because you sweat a lot in that. So what we're going to be doing is putting this all in the bathtub. You're gonna see in the video, but it's basically adding all these different types of detergents, and it's been going around. Like, we saw this on YouTube ourselves or on TikTok, and we're just gonna give it a try and see if it actually works and makes our clothes feel a lot cleaner.
It's kind of like a deep clean for your clothes. That's what it pretty much is.
Exactly, yeah.
Yep. Okay, so let's get into the video.
Here we're filling up our bathtub with hot water because it's going to be where you're going to be soaking the clothes.
So first we're gonna start with the borax. About a quarter cup is what the video says. So let's try that out.
Next, we're gonna need a quarter cup of the Laundry Booster Super Washing Soda. And this was kind of hard to find, right?
Yeah, it was hard to find. Where do we end up getting it from?
I think it was Amazon.
Okay.
But I haven't seen this just sold anywhere. Quarter cup. Okay, that seems about right.
So next we're gonna be using the Tide, and it says a hefty amount, so it doesn't really tell you how much to use. So we're just gonna kind of wing it.
So this is a full, almost a full cup.
It's a pretty big cup.
Should we do this maybe?
Yeah.
Should I fill it up to the brim?
Yeah, fill it up to the top.
Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle this all over like that.
Make it rain.
Okay.
Perfect.
And then comes the fun part.
Okay,
Then it says to have a stick. Don't do it with your hands because since the water's hot.
So you're just gonna mix all the different soaps together, or all those different powders that we put in.
Okay. How do you think this is?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Okay, it's a nice bluish color.
Yeah.
And according to this, it's supposed to, color's gonna change.
Yeah. And it smells good too.
It smells clean.
It smells clean.
It smells very good. I like it. Okay.
Okay, now let's go ahead and we're gonna just throw the clothes in.
Stick there. Alright, so I have some towels first, right?
Yep, go ahead.
Some towels in there. And then I'm going to be putting my husband's clothes in here. And this clothes is actually just came out of the washing machine. So,
but this is supposed to give it like an extra clean. That's why we're doing this stripping.
I don't know if I told my husband I was doing this. These clothes. Did I tell him?
I don't know if you did, but if anything, he'll be happy because it'll be nice and extra clean. But yeah, we're trying this out, so we didn't want to try it out with any of our clothes, so since we're not sure how it's gonna turn out.
So it says make sure to saturate all of it.
Yeah, so we have the clothes in, and now with that same stick, we're just pushing it in because you want to make sure all the clothes soak up all this water.
And it says to mix the clothes a little bit. Oh, it's kind of hard. Oh, come and see it here. Yep, it's already changing color right there. Do you guys see that?
So that's like the dirt coming off of it, I guess, right?
That's what they say. They say it's all the dirt and
Wow,
that was quick. And like I said, this clothes just came out of the washing machine.
Yeah, so supposedly they're clean.
Yeah, the washing machine supposedly cleaned it.
Okay, so we fully mixed in the clothes with the water, and as you can see, the water has changed color already. It's pretty foggy and honestly looks dirty.
And so what we have to do with this, it says, is we have to keep it in here for 5 hours, mixing it every hour.
Okay.
But we don't add any more water or any detergent like that. Just keep mixing it every hour, I guess, to move the fibers, I'm guessing. I don't know.
just to move the clothes around.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So we'll check back in with you guys in about an hour when we come to mix it.
Yep.
All right. Okay, so we came here 1 hour later to check in on the clothes, and as you can see, the color has completely changed now. It's so dark.
So brown.
So
Look at it over here.
Oh wow.
See, you can see the color a lot there.
It's not that nice blue color that it was when we started.
Let's mix it around like it says.
Yeah, just gotta give it a mix. Alright, so I already mixed it, so we are going to leave it here again for another hour, and we'll be back to check in on it a couple more times until we reach
the 5 hour
mark. Okay, so this is our second check-in. So we are just mixing it again, and the water is super dirty. So I guess it just keeps taking the grime out of the clothes, is what it's doing. But and it's also really hard to mix because clothes gets pretty heavy with all the water. And if you're wondering what stick we're using to mix, it's part of the Swiffer. So it's just the, we just took off the bottom part of the Swiffer, and we're using that. Okay, and once we're done, we'll just keep, coming back and checking every hour. So we are checking in here for our third check-in. It is 6:40, so we started around 3:40. So yeah, as soon as we open the door to the bathroom, it smelled really strong and bad. So I guess it's definitely working, and the water looks a lot dirtier too, right?
Yeah, it does. But that's something that people don't actually say, is that it does smell like, like dirty laundry. That's what it smells like.
So,
which I have never smelled anything like this before.
Yeah. But yeah, so this is our third check-in, so we have to check in again just 2 more times, and then it'll be ready. So in about 2 hours, this part will be done. All right, so this is our last check-in, because the next time we'll be draining everything out. But yeah, so just giving it another stir. No real difference this time from the last time. So the time is finally here. It's finally been 5 hours, and we're going to do the next step, which is to drain all the water out. We got ourselves a little helper here, helping us to drain the clothes out.
Wringing out the clothes.
You want to get as much of the water out of the clothes as you can before throwing it in the wash. Okay, so we wring out all the clothes and the towels and everything we had in there, and then brought it over to the washing machine, and let me tell you guys, that was the hardest part, right?
So hard, wringing out all of the water. Man, my arms hurt, my back hurts. It's really, really heavy, especially the towels was very heavy.
Yeah.
And then bringing it over here because, it's in the bathtub, so you have to walk over to the washing machine, so it does...
You don't want it to drip or anything.
Yeah, you don't want it to drip, so it's pretty heavy.
Yeah, it's definitely the hardest part of this whole thing. So now we have it in the washing machine, we're just going to go ahead and add the Tide powder to wash it, and that's it. We're not going to add any fabric softener. And then we're going to wash it and dry it, and we'll show you the results. Alright, so we put the clothes, after it washed, we put it in to dry, and now it's all done, and we're going to take it unfolded and stuff, but it feels really clean. It's definitely noticeably, a lot cleaner than it would be just after a normal wash, right? Don't you think?
Oh yeah, definitely a lot cleaner.
Yeah, a lot cleaner. So, yeah, I think the stripping thing really does work.
So we finished stripping our clothes. As you can see in what we showed you, it really did work. It does feel a lot cleaner already. So I definitely think it's worth it.
I think it's worth it. Of course, you don't do it every single day, but to do it every now and then, I would definitely do it.
So it definitely took a long time because it was like a whole day project. So whenever you decide to do this, if you guys give it a try, definitely have this going, but you gotta keep doing your regular daily stuff because it will take the whole day. But it is worth it, and like my sister said, you don't have to do this every day, but definitely give it a try and just let us know what you guys think. If you give it a try, or if you've tried this in the past, let us know in the comments below. And if there's any other way to do this type of stripping technique, also let us know that. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we'll catch you next time.
Bye.